Okay. These two clamps here are this size. And the other ones are smaller, so I'm going to get you take the clamps off, slide them one way or the other. It doesn't make any difference. So we can get the hoses off.
You want the fan back on? The fan's got to be back on, eh? Okay, I'll ask Dad if we can put the fan back on. So you don't see it right now, but Dad's hired man here is just removing some hoses because they got to reconnect the transmission cooler. Sorry about the fan noise in the background, but the dogs are hot. So that transmission cooler, those lines, if you notice, the small one is still attached. So they got to detach these hoses underneath over here. And so that's what our hired man is doing down here. And he's just taking that apart. So that the next step here is getting all this reconnected.
Power steering is sitting in place.
Oh, okay. Can you show us that?
Yeah. We made the bracket and power steering is in place in the shaft. Now I got to work on that end and then we'll hook up to electrical.
Okay. So what's it like having the floor out, being able to have that extra space? Is it nice?
Then you got no place to stand.
Okay.
You can't win.
Okay. Is it easier though, or?
Well, it's cleaner and
yeah.
easier. And the windshield wiper is on. That has
Oh.
to be wired. The motor.
Oh, there you go.
That has to be wired, yeah.
Okay, so the windshield wiper motor is in.
Yeah.
And that's underneath here somewhere. I don't even see it. Oh, there it is. And then, yeah, actually Dad's making a lot of progress here with this Bombardier. Could be because it's also, Dad wants to get this one out of the shop here, or at least as much done as we can for the customer. Because we got two other Bombardiers that got to come in right away. Three Bombardiers.
And a truck.
And a truck. So it's going to be parked here for a while yet, but
Yeah.
that is actually making pretty significant progress here.
I want to get the hard stuff done first.
Yeah.
I think he's got a couple of bent axles, so we
Okay.
got to pull the tracks off, yeah. If I get rid of this motor out of here, then I'm going to have all kinds of room.
Yeah. So this is the newest thing here. Showed up today, and this was done. This has been in here for years. This, and so by taking this motor out, that was going to go into another piece of equipment. We're doing a trade-off on some other parts here, and yeah, it's opened up the shop quite a bit. Still hot and humid as hot as.
I'm going to put the fan back on. So
Yeah.
That's it for today.
Okay.
The tip of the day is, if it's overheated, put the air conditioner on.
There you go. Dad's got the old transmission cooler out and the new one hooked up here. And they're just tightening up the hoses. Best place for an old dog is right in front of the fan on a cold floor.